plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making a shiny Sneasel. The reason I am making a shiny type Pokemon and not a normal is the laziest of reasons. I saw a lot of pink paper sitting on my desk and I thought, oh well, that's readily available. I don't have any papers planned for a normal Sneasel. So I went with pink. I thought it would be really pretty, it would be really cool, and it saved me some time. I think that Sneasel is one of my favorite shiny type Pokemon though. I think that one of my friends had one when I was in high school and I really liked it. I'm not sure when I saw one and thought it was really neat, but I hope that you guys enjoy this papercraft today. It is a larger papercraft. It is another one that barely fits on my page, but that's always an exciting challenge to make sure that I don't make anything too big. So you will see me kind of placing the body down on my page and checking repeatedly if it all fits. I mean, it's so big it barely even fits in the whole frame of the video. I hope that everybody is doing well. I hope that you are staying warm if it is getting colder where you are and finding some fun crafts to do. Yeah, I for one am feeling the winter. I miss sunlight, it makes me a little sad, but that is why I am crafting, because it always cheers me up to sit down and make something new. So I'm using two different types of yellow to do that long feather-like ear, and I believe I do the same for the tail spikes. I think Sneasel counts as like cat or kitty type Pokemon. Yeah, I think it's a cat. I have not made a whole ton of cat Pokemon. I have made a Litten and I have made a Purugly. But I think that's it so far. I should make Meowth sometime. I'm already thinking about what Pokemon I want to have done by the end of 2021. Because obviously this is a long project. It's going to take me forever to make a Pokédex. And it's like, oh, do I go by type or do I go by generation? Like, what do I focus on finishing first? And the answer is I don't focus at all. And I will just get done whatever I feel like getting done. I mean, it would be really cool to have the original Pokédex done, but I think every third video that I make from now until December 2021 would have to be an original type Pokemon. So now you can see I'm outlining her claws, and this is where I start worrying about whether or not she is going to fit on the page. I chose a really neutral colored background because I thought that would make the pink really pop out, so everything is black and white, including the washi tape, so that she is the centerpiece of this craft. I do have papers planned for a Weevil, albeit not a shiny Weevil, but if that is something that you guys are interested in, let me know and I will definitely get to making that. Some of the other papers I have planned out that I could make if requested are Lapras, Delibird, Cubchoo, and Bear Arctic or Bearctic? Cubchoo's evolution. I also have papers planned for a Snorunt. What else do I have? Yeah, I think that's most of the ice types that I could make. So if any of those sound good, please let me know and I will definitely get to that right away. So now I'm just working on her final set of claws on her right foot. And just hoping that she fits on the page. Yeah, just barely fits. For her jewels, I decided to use that oval punch so I could get a general shape going, and I just cut those down until it's a shape that I think fits Sneasel. I should make more dog type Pokemon. I mean, okay, it's not their type, but like species? I don't know. I should make dog Pokemon. I'm an animal person, don't get me wrong. I like cats, I like dogs, but I'm more of a dog person, so. Those two dogs that are in Sword and Shield are so cute. Oh, what is its name? It's an electric dog, Bolthound, and something else. They're so cute. I've pulled some Pokemon cards for them and really liked them. Oh, there's just so many to make, and I just don't know where to start and where to stop, and I'm gonna keep myself busy for a very, very long time with making Pokemon. And it's so crazy to me that I'm doing all this in papercraft. I learned how to do this kind of stuff. Well, I started to learn how to do this kind of stuff 6 months ago. And now I've made almost 100 Pokemon, which is just insane. But that's how it goes, you know, if there's a new art medium you want to try, like, it takes lots of time and dedication and practice. I just didn't realize this was a medium I was going to stick with. I thought for sure that I would switch it up and do some other stuff, but I really like working with paper. So to finish this piece, I have to do her eyes. And I really took my time with this because I wanted them to be perfect. She has very distinct eyes, right? With lots of like eyeliner and mascara. Or at least what looks like eyeliner and mascara. Since the eyes are kind of small, I decided to just draw the pupil and the iris. And then I outlined with a black micron pen to get that definition down. And it looks striking. I love it. It really stands out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I rambled. I'm always rambling. I really appreciate you guys being here though. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!